welcome to my Sunday reset routine. I always do this routine when I get back from church because I feel like church is the real reset of your mind, body, and soul. If you're a girly who loves self-care, love cleaning, then you're gonna want to keep watching. Okay, you guys, my shower is done. I feel so clean, ready to take on my Sunday. I don't know about you, but I am a shower routine girl, okay? Whether I had a good day, I'm taking a shower. A bad day, I'm taking a shower. I just love how hot and steamy and cozy a shower is. It's my self-care. It's my self-care to get up in the shower and just like use my products. So we're gonna put my lotion and we're gonna do my skincare. Guys, I'm ready for any face mask, literally any skincare product. I'm pretty sure I have it in here, and if not in here, it's probably in my closet. So girls, if you ever want a skincare routine, comment below because I got you. This is the face wash I use, the La Roche-Posay Gentle Foaming Cleanser. If you know, you know. I've literally used this whole bottle. And then I'm gonna put on this face mask. So I'm putting this Trader Joe's pumpkin body butter on my skin, and I always I'm a body butter girl. Body butter is lotions. Make sure you don't skip that part of your routine. Do it as soon as you get out the shower, because then your skin is damp and then it can absorb. I always like to put a little olive oil in your skin after you do your lotions. Girl, you're gonna have the softest skin ever, okay? Okay, so I'm washing my face with the La Roche-Posay face wash. You're probably like, why am I washing my face over here? It's because the lighting is better over here, to be honest. After I wash my face, I'm gonna put on a face mask because I just love doing my self-care Sunday reset routine, whether that's cleaning while I have a face mask on. I feel like it just sets the vibe. It makes me feel like I'm having a spa day. I'm gonna take these pads and put them on my face as well. They're so cute and pink. I'm just wiping these pads all over my face. This isn't my full skincare routine because, like I said, we're gonna put a face mask on once we're done with the face mask, and then we can put on our real products. When somebody asks me, do I want to go out? Do I want to hang out outside? I'm like, no, I'd actually rather be at home doing my self-care, because this is just what being a girl is all about, am I right? So I'm putting on this Pore Clay mask right now, and I always like to leave these on for a little bit so it really gets deep into my pores, which is why it's perfect to put on, and then do my cleaning. Okay, so my face mask is on. I'm so excited to see what my skin looks like when it's done, because every time I use this face mask, literally it yanks all of the dirt out of my pores. My skin looks so good, so cleansed. Every time I use this mask, I feel like I applied this so good. I'm gonna go take a photo. I could take a photo and put it on Pinterest right now. Am I the only one that does that? Every time you wear a face mask, you take a photo because you're you want to be cute like the girls on Pinterest? Yeah. We're gonna leave this on. Let's go and start the rest of my cleaning self-care Sunday reset. Okay, it might be a little bit messy in my kitchen right now, but listen, that's what this video is for, to clean up in here. So first, I'm gonna start by filling up my water filter. You guys see how it's pink? I got it off Amazon. This is one of my favorite cleaning sprays. It's literally just the brand from Target. I like it because it doesn't have as much harmful chemicals as the other cleaning products. Okay, we're gonna cue the playlist because I gotta listen to music while I'm cleaning. I need things to be as simple as possible. Okay guys, my kitchen is clean, apartment is clean. It's time to take this face mask off. As you can see, it's peeling, which lets me know I'm about to have a brand new face once I take this face mask off. So I'm gonna take this face mask off, probably go lie down, watch some more episodes of Teen Wolf. I'm on season 4 right now. I've been rewatching it. I'm the type of girl who rewatches the shows she used to love back in the day. So I already rewatched Vampire Diaries like a year ago. Right now I'm rewatching Teen Wolf. So like I said, I'm on season 4. What I've been realizing is that shows back in the day had so many episodes. Nowadays shows have like 8 episodes. But Teen Wolf has like 20 plus episodes. That is true love, okay? I need the shows of today to catch up and to start putting out way more episodes. Because like, what am I gonna do with 8 episodes? Girl, I can watch that in one day. I'm a binge watcher. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my face mask off. If you guys wanna see my like actual full skincare routine, you better hit that subscribe button, girl. And this is the Glow Up self-care channel, and I don't want you to miss any details. I'll see you guys next time.